Hi and welcome back to another Divine Days dance class. Today we're going to be doing a lyrical routine to I See the Light from Tangle. So it's going to be nice and soft and floaty. So just a quick reminder before we get started to only do the movements in your own capabilities and adapt them when necessary. And make sure you've got plenty of space. So we're going to start with a hop point to the diagonal, and you're going to hop point in front, and your arms will just sway over, and then you're going to hop point behind, hop point, and your arms will go the other way. So it'll go hop, hop, and then you're going to do a gallop. So you're going to step that foot in front, join them together, and then do another step. So it's going to go hop, hop, step together, step. Very good. And then you're going to repeat it to the other diagonal. So you'll twist your body and with the front foot again. Hop, behind, step together, step. So these are quite slow, so it'll go and hop, step together, step, hop, hop, step together, step. Lovely. So you've ended up with that front foot, step forward, then you're going to continue and step out, so your feet are apart, and you're just going to do two sways, just sway your arms, nice and gently. So go 1, 2, and then you're going to do one more, but this time you're going to take your arms up and do a big circle with them, nice and tall. So it's nice and soft, so it'll go sway, sway, all the way round. Very good. So from the beginning, hopping in front, behind, step, gallop, step, in front, behind, step together, step, stepping out, sway, sway, all the way round. Very good. So you want it to just float into the next move. So carrying on, we're going to do 3 turns, and they're going to pivot round, and you want to start low and then nice and tall. So if you do it without any arms first, you'll start low, 1, then you'll get taller, 2, and then 3 you'll end up on your tiptoes, and the arms are just going to go low and gradually ending up in a high V. So if you add them on, it'll go low, bit higher, nice and tall, so it'll be like it's unravelling. Very good. So we'll just give that bit a go with some music. It starts about 45 seconds into the track. It's just to the chorus bit. Woo. Together, step, hop, hop, step together, step, sway, sway, all the way round, down, up, all the way up. Beautiful. So we've just ended here, and then you're just going to do 2 steps to the side. So you'll go step, step, and what you want to do is you want to bring your arms down one at a time and just cross them across your chest, just like this. So you'll finish our last turn, and these are really gentle. Step, step, lovely. So now you want to step into an arabesque. So to do that, the foot that's got no weight onto the side, you're going to step it in front, and then you'll lift your back leg up just as high as where it'll go. So that needs to be nice and gentle. You don't want to kick it up, you just want to gently lift it up behind you. So you end it here, step in the weight on, and then it'll just bend and pass through. Beautiful. And the arms will go like this. Lovely. So it'll go step through, and then you're going to continue round in a circle. And you're just going to do little ones, nice and soft, and you'll just lead with your elbow. Lovely. So we'll add that on from the 3 turns. So low, higher, high, step, step, arabesque, through, running round. Lovely. This is it, almost finished. So we'll just add the ending on now. So you're just going to kneel down. You'll do one leg, then the other. A big circle with the arms. And then you're going to lean, sit down on one hip. Take your legs out, and you want to lean your body away from the arm. And you want to look along that line. And that is all of the routine. So we'll just add that on from the turns again. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, sway, step, arabesque, nice and gentle, running round, kneel, kneel, open, and down, and reach the arm out to end. Very good. So we'll just do that from the beginning before we try it with any music. So we'll go hot point, step together, step, hot point, step together, step, sway, sway, all the way round, turn, keep going, up nice and tall, step, step, arabesque, through, running round, kneeling down, open, and arm up. Very good. So we'll give that a try with some music, and I want us to really think about the moves floating together. So you want everything to be as elongated as you can, and you want all the moves to nice and linked. So we'll try from the beginning. I'll shout the moves over, and then we'll try it without me. So hop, step together, step, hop, hop, step together, step, sway, sway, all the way round, turn, up, step, step, arabesque, one round, kneel, kneel, arms open, and down to finish. Lovely, so that is it all. So we'll just try it now with just the music, and I won't shout over, and I want us to really, everything just to flow as one. And I want us to really extend our arms out and see how long we can make the lines. So we'll try it again. So this one's just a bit of fun. So I want us to really feel like princesses. Hop. cool. So that is all for today. So thank you for watching and joining in. And please let me know if you enjoyed it. And thank you, and we'll see you again next week.